Hey there, welcome back to iOS YouTube channel, and today in this video I have installed HyperOS 2 based on Android 14 on my Redmi Note 5 Pro. So how does it perform, and is it better than stock or compared to stock? How is it? Let's find out. So this is my Redmi Note 5 Pro and it is almost 9 years old and it has a very old processor. The specs compared to today's standards for operating systems are very low. So first let's set up the ROM and then I will show you the features of it as well as the bugs and other stuff. As you can see, I'm back at home screen and let me show you the about page of this ROM. As you can see, it is based on HyperOS 2 based on Android 14, and let me show you the Easter egg of Android 14. How weird it is that Google continued the same Easter egg till Android 16. The ROM feels a bit laggy within a few hours of the installation, but it becomes smooth after a few hours of usage. To be honest, I did not even find a single bug. Fingerprint, face unlock, Bluetooth, brightness and everything else works fine. Let me add my fingerprint and then I will show you how does it perform and what is the speed of unlocking. As you can see, my fingerprint is added, so let me show you the unlocking speed. It is almost instant. The ROM has many customization features as well. For example, the themes app is there and you can customize icons and everything. Dark mode and other display features like reading mode also works perfectly fine. The brightness works perfectly fine as well and the auto brightness works as well. As you can see, the reading mode is working here perfectly fine. You may need to adjust the display colors after disabling the reading mode if your display is duplicate. As you can see, my display stayed at a bit yellowish tint, so I had to adjust that. Color scheme, advanced textures and all the other stuff of the display works perfectly fine. This AI image engine is not supported by the display, so it cannot be enabled. Now let's talk about battery. The battery backup of this ROM is better than stock and it could last a day for you. This ROM also has a health manager system that can monitor your screen on time and other things. In additional settings, you can find the option for memory extension and you can extend your memory using the storage. It also has other features like LED customizations and assistive touch. These are basically standard HyperOS features. This ROM does not need repartition, so you may get about 40 GB of free storage out of 64 GB if your model is 64 GB. The RAM management of this ROM is good. As you can see, I am getting almost 1.8 GB free. Now let's talk about camera. It comes with default MIUI camera. This is basically a modded camera app with Leica features enabled. You can choose between different styles. Now let me capture the image and as you can see, the details are perfect. It captured almost all the details of the image and the picture quality is better than stock. The QoS and notification panel may lag in the start, but it becomes smooth after a few hours of usage and it looks like iOS. To use banking apps in this ROM, you can use my Play Integrity Passing method and I will link it down in the description as well. So overall, the ROM is very stable and can be daily driven. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe for more content like this.